Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to streamline RFP responses and document management, a Loopio tutorial. Now first, what is Loopio? Loopio is a powerful platform designed to simplify how teams respond to RFPs, RFIs, DDQs, and other security or sales questionnaire. Now first, on getting started, create your workspace. Log in or sign up on loopio.com. Now, set up your profile and team permissions. Organize your project folders by client, regions, or project type for easy access. Now, import a project. Click on New Project and upload your RFP. Loopio automatically parses questions into a project format. Second, use the library for faster responses. What is in the library? First, a central repository of pre-approved answers, documents, and templates. You can categorize content by tags, collections, or custom fields. Now, how to use it? When working on an RFP, Loopio suggests answers from the library using Magic, the autofill tool. Review suggestions and make edits if needed, and click Apply to insert. Now keep it fresh. Set review cycles to keep content up to date and compliant. Assign owners to manage and update specific sections, legal, security, and product. Third, collaborate with your team. Assign questions. Tag team members to specific questions or section. And add deadlines and status tags to keep everyone on track. Next, use commenting. Add internal comments for clarification or feedback without altering the response content. Next, review and finalize responses. Use filters to see which questions are incomplete or need review. Export the final document in the original format, Word, Excel, etc. with your branding. Now, automate with Magic and integrations. Magic, the AI autofill, automatically suggests answers from your library to speed up repetitive sections. Learns over time for smarter suggestion. Now on integrations, connect with tools like Salesforce, Slack, SharePoint, and Google Drive. Then import-export project and collaborate more easily across departments. On reporting and analytics, track project completion rates, response time, and contributor performance. Identify frequently asked questions and gaps in your content library. And finally, best practice for success. First, tag and organize your library early. This saves time in the long run. Second, create templates for common questionnaire. Third, schedule quarterly library reviews to keep content audit ready. And lastly, use project templates for consistent formatting and workflows. And that's basically it.